Hey, my name is Toni and I'm a student at the University of Illinois. Come study with me.
But I like going up to study the main library upstairs. It's so pretty, but it's so quiet that I'm scared that, like, I don't know. One time I got shushed for chit-chatting.
You got shushed?
Yeah. I mean, I was okay with it, but my friend was embarrassed. But it was like a quick little, like, okay, how are we gonna get home, like, bus?
Yeah.
And then they came over and like, shh, and I was like,
wow.
oh, sorry.
I didn't think that was real.
No, me neither.
Like as a group, but it was like so fun. That's how I know a lot of people that I met.
That's really cool.
The way I met people was joining circuit. I think that was my biggest
That's
thing.
how I met a group.
Like pre-programmed.
Yeah. How many was Circuit?
A lot of people. It was like most of the black freshmen coming in. It was like a week beforehand. I thought that was the best week of my life.
Yeah.